Many factors such as medications and lifestyle choices can impact our blood pressure, and incorporating a suitable diet can undoubtedly reverse this condition. So in today's video, I'll show you the top 9 foods that will lower your blood pressure and keep it stable. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. Amaranth. Eating these tiny grains is extremely beneficial for people with high blood pressure. Amaranth is particularly high in magnesium. A 100-gram serving provides a whopping 248 milligrams, which is 62% of your daily recommended intake. Magnesium plays an important role in blood pressure regulation through several mechanisms. It acts as a natural calcium channel blocker, which blocks the movement of calcium into the heart, allowing blood vessels to relax. It increases nitric oxide and induces direct and indirect vasodilation. It also increases the effectiveness of antihypertensive medications. The results from 7 studies involving patients with resistant high blood pressure showed that adding magnesium improved their readings by an average of 18.7 by 10.9 millimeters of mercury. 2. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of calcium, magnesium and potassium. One avocado contains about 975 milligrams of potassium and 58 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 28 and 15% of your daily intake, respectively. Potassium is a vital nutrient for managing this condition because it lessens the effects of sodium and eliminates excess salt. While too much sodium can increase blood pressure, too little potassium can have the same effect. Incorporating a diet that's high in potassium will greatly help maintain the sodium to potassium ratio of 4:1, meaning we need 4 times the amount of potassium compared to sodium. It's important to note that a high-carb diet will encourage your system to hold on to sodium, which in turn will deplete your body of potassium. 3. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with flavonoid antioxidants, which enhances blood vessel function and increases nitric oxide levels in your body. Because nitric oxide signals the body to relax blood vessels, blood pressure lowers. A study reviewing data from 187,000 participants found that those who consumed 4 or more servings of broccoli a week had a lower risk of high blood pressure than those who consumed broccoli once a month or less. 4. Pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are a concentrated source of nutrients that are important for blood pressure control, including magnesium, potassium and arginine, an amino acid needed for the production of nitric oxide. Pumpkin seed oil has been shown to be a powerful remedy for high blood pressure. A study found that women supplementing with 3 grams of pumpkin seed oil a day experienced significant reductions after 6 weeks compared with the placebo group. 5. Berries. Berries have been associated with their potential to reduce heart risk factors like high blood pressure. They are a rich source of anthocyanins. These antioxidants have been shown to increase nitric oxide levels in the blood. Among those with the highest content are chokeberries, elderberries and black raspberries. One study found that just under 1 ounce of blueberries a day can significantly help lower blood pressure. 6. Chia and flax seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with nutrients that are essential for blood pressure regulation, including potassium, magnesium and fiber. A 12-week study found that daily supplementation of 35 grams of chia seed flour led to blood pressure reductions in both medicated and unmedicated patients. Eating flax seeds for 12 weeks also resulted in lower blood pressure readings. 7. Leafy greens. Swiss chard stands out as a leafy green because of its nutrients, mainly potassium and magnesium. 1 cup of cooked leaves delivers 17 and 30% of your daily potassium and magnesium needs, respectively. Spinach is also a great choice because it's high in nitrates, antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. One study found that those who consumed spinach soup for 7 days experienced decreased artery stiffness and subsequent blood pressure reductions. Other leafy greens such as kale, collard greens, arugula, and beet greens are also excellent sources of potassium. 8. Garlic. Research suggests that garlic reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive people. According to the National Institute of Health, allicin, the main active compound in garlic, increases the body's production of nitric oxide. 9. Quinoa. This supergrain lowers blood pressure as a rice substitute because it limits the insulin and leptin spikes that rice would otherwise trigger. By keeping blood sugar levels stable, it encourages the excretion of sodium and water in the kidneys, thus causing blood vessels to dilate and a drop in blood pressure. But not only that, half a cup of quinoa contains almost 15% of your daily recommended magnesium intake. Keep in mind that diet is not the only component of a well-rounded plan for blood pressure health. The combination of taking the right nutrients, avoiding the wrong foods, and a healthy lifestyle is more effective than taking a single mineral. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.